ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You say put them on your head, ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You make me un poco loco.
It's like a reward.
Sin City was a Mavia.
I've seen many humans with this haircut. Are you Edgar?
Yeah.
Wait, it's cake. It's good. Try it. Great grandma made it. Oh. Girl, that cake is good. It's not.
You look at him, he's like, he kind of goes down. Look, oh, he's trying desperately to get a penalty. Oh, I'm in agony, I'm in agony, I'm in agony. And then the ball goes in. I'm all right. I'm all right. It's amazing what a recovery.
I don't even want to.
It just saddens me that no matter what people think about me, they still won't understand that I will not give a fuck! Oh, shit. What the fuck?
Here's $5.
Oh, I'm not homeless. I'm a teacher.
Here's $10.
People always get on my head. They're like, bro, why do you drive a manual? Why do you drive a manual?
Like, bro, it's not a manual. It's Emmanuel.
Yeah, Matthew.
What?
I didn't blend my contour. You tell me.
Hi guys, this is Garfield, and he likes to lay on a Domino's box, and I just keep kicking him off the counter, but he still goes on the goddamn counter. Like, I don't know how to get him off the goddamn counter. Like, look at him. Oh, big yawn. Mauricio, I can't move it anymore. Mauricio.
Walk into the restaurants and give me your most expensive steak. Okay, well, we have the tomahawk or the ribeye. I asked for your most expensive. It's in numbers. Which number is higher? Well, the tomahawk. Then why are you fucking talking about a ribeye? Dumb bitch. Of course, I don't say it like that. I say, ha 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 ha. I'll take the tomahawk, please, because I'm a polite man.
I'm stylish. Black top, big t-shirt, Billy.
I just lived your life. Now jump in for a little.
And this is what they said, that you're looking for a boyfriend.
Aw, babe, this is where you proposed to me.
That was you. Is that how you get paid?
Sometimes.
Is that how they pay you?
It's. I'm high up on the payroll. You can tell because they take the extra time to put in the packaging quality.
They stapled it and everything for you.
No. Normally it's duct tape.
Is that how you get paid?
Sometimes.
Is that how they pay you?
It's. I'm high up on the payroll. You can tell because they take the extra time to put in the packaging quality.
They stapled it and everything for you.
No. Normally it's duct tape.
Tell me you live in San Francisco without telling me.
Oh, look, is he going for a swim? He's gonna go for a swim. That is so freaking funny. Oh my god. He's so freaking cute. Oh. Aww. Hell yes. Looks like I got a new gym to go to.
I would like to order. I would.
Excuse me, he don't know what he wants to order. Let me tell you what I want. Okay, what? You got that bacon burger, you got that fried chicken, you got that Cajun chicken, you got that spicy chicken, you got that barbecue chicken.
They don't know the truth.
So I just need you guys to know that I'm going through a lot right now.
This is my pet duck, Adam, going for his first swim. Be careful, Adam.